how to download and install the Shein app. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install or download Shein app on your device. Firstly, if you're using an Android device, then open Play Store, and if you're using an iOS device, then open App Store. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Shein app. Also, if you're using it on your PC, then you can just open Shein.com on your web browser. Here on your App Store, you will see the Shein app. I have already installed this app on my device, so it's showing the open option. However, if you have not installed it, then it will show a get option. Tap on the get option and the installation process will begin. After the installation completes, then you will see the app icon on your home page. So this is how you can install Shein app on your device. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.